Aicado AI has just been released and it's already generating some serious buzz in the digital marketing world. If you're looking for the latest, most innovative AI software to take your business or personal projects to the next level, this is one tool you definitely want to check out. Stick around, because in this video, I'll cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you dive in, and I'll show you how you can try it for free with the link in the description below. So, what makes Aicado stand out from the sea of other AI tools out there? First of all, it's incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced marketer, the interface is intuitive enough that you can start using it right away without a steep learning curve. And yes, it's packed with features that can automate many of your daily tasks, saving you tons of time. One of the key features Aicado brings to the table is its powerful natural language processing capabilities. It's designed to handle large amounts of data and understand context better than most other AI tools. If you're in the content creation or social media marketing space, this means Aicado can help you craft highly relevant and personalized content with just a few clicks. Imagine not having to spend hours brainstorming ideas or drafting emails. Aicado does all the heavy lifting for you. Another game changer is Aicado's automation for outreach and follow-ups. If you're running a digital marketing campaign or managing client relationships, Aicado's automation tools can send out perfectly timed emails and messages that feel human, not robotic. This level of personalization in an automated system can dramatically improve your conversion rates and customer retention. But Aicado doesn't just stop there. It also integrates seamlessly with your existing CRM systems, social media platforms, and even project management tools. So, if you already have a toolset you love, Aicado won't disrupt your workflow. Instead, it enhances it by syncing all your operations in one place, saving you time and effort. For marketers looking for performance analytics, Aicado delivers real-time insights into your campaigns. It tracks engagement, performance metrics, and even suggests improvements based on data-driven recommendations. So instead of second-guessing what's working, you can rely on Aicado to give you actionable feedback that can help you optimize your strategy quickly. But here's where things get even more interesting. Aicado's AI doesn't just stop at automating tasks. It learns from the data it processes, meaning it gets smarter over time. The more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your needs, preferences, and business goals, ensuring that the software evolves with you. Now, I know you're wondering, is this really worth your time? Absolutely. Aicado is not just another flashy AI tool that overpromises and underdelivers. It's a powerful, practical solution that can make a tangible difference to how you manage and grow your digital marketing efforts. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or a small business owner, Aicado offers real value. So before you go ahead and try it out for yourself, remember that you can access Aicado for free with the link in the description below. Get started today and experience the full potential of this just released AI software. And if you're curious about other AI software that's helped me over the years, check out the list of my top recommendations in the description. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've found these to be the most reliable and effective for digital marketing. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try Aicado AI for free. You won't regret it.